Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset Cronus Zen. First, unplug your Cronus Zen from your console and PC. Then, remove all connected controllers and cables so the device is completely disconnected. Now, look at the back of the Cronus Zen. You will see a small reset hole. Use a paper clip or a SIM eject tool to press the reset button inside that hole. Next, press and hold the reset button. While doing it, connect the Zen to your PC using a USB cable. Keep holding the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then release it once the device enters boot or reset mode. The screen may stay black or display boot text, which is normal during the process. Next, open Zen Studio on your PC. Then go to Tools and select Firmware Update. Now, choose the Force Update option, which is recommended for a full hard reset. Wait until the firmware installation completes. This process fully restores the device to its factory state and fixes most firmware-related issues. If your Zen turns on normally and you don't need a deep reset, you can perform a factory reset instead. Connect the Zen to your PC and open Zen Studio. Go to Device, then select Factory Reset and confirm. This removes stored scripts and profiles, but it may not fix serious firmware problems. After the reset is complete, update to the latest firmware if needed. Then reinstall your scripts or mods, reconnect your controller, and test everything in your game to make sure the device is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.